Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on eyes protection mode and guys how to use it in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you both settings. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on display and brightness setting. After that guys 1 2 3 guys you can see this eyes protection mode. So when you will click on this right side, so eyes protection mode will on in your Vivo phone, and guys after guys your skin color will change like cream color because guys eyes protection mode. So it is good for our eyes guys when we use phone at night. So we should on it, and guys after that guys we should use our phone. And guys when we study, when we read any book in our phone by YouTube, Google, so we should on it. So it is good for our eyes. So I think friends you have understood how to on eyes protection in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.